Good afternoon, ma. So in the previous class, we discussed about the complements. Okay, ma. In binary system, we are having ones complement and twos complement. In decimal number system, we are having nines complement and tens complement. Okay. In octal number system, we are having sevens and eights complement. In hexadecimal numbers, 15s and 16s complements are there. Okay, ma. Generally, we are using ones complement and twos complement and nines complement and tens complement. So why we are using these complements means in the subtraction process to simplify the subtraction. Okay, the subtraction is also calculated by using the addition operation. That is the importance of these complements. Subtraction కూడా మనం ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే మా ఎడిషన్ తో చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? సో ఎడిషన్ అంటే ఏంటి? చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది కంపేర్ టు సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. Okay, to reduce the complexity of this subtraction, we are using these complements. Okay. So now in the previous class, we discussed about the ones, twos. So the basic things for this ones complement, twos complement, nines complement, and tens complement. Okay, ma. And using ones complement also subtraction procedure is over in the previous class. Okay. Okay, up to here completed in the previous class. Now the next topic, next problem is given the two binary numbers x equal to 1010100 and y equal to 100011. Okay, ma, the same numbers will be considered here also. X, y. Okay, ma. Perform the subtraction x minus y and y minus x using 2's complement. Okay, ma. Using 2's complement. So how to calculate the 2's complement? First, we are calculating the 1's complement. Adding 1 to the 1's complement, then we are getting the 2's complement. Okay, ma. So here first we are doing the subtraction x minus y. Okay, x minus y. That is y is subtracted from x. Okay, ma. So which value is subtracted? Y value is subtracted. So for that value, you will calculating the 2's complement. Okay, ma. మనం ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామో ఆ నెంబర్ కి 2's complement క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి x minus y, that is x value is this, y value is this. So in previous class we are calculating the values in decimal. Okay, what is the value for x? See, calculated again. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. Okay, ma. Calculate the decimal number. Okay. Then what is the resultant you will be getting? 87. This is getting as 64. Okay, ma? Sorry. This value is 84. This value is 67. In previous class, we are doing this. Okay, ma. This value is 67. So x minus y means big number minus small number. Okay. So we are subtracted a small number from a big number. So we here x minus y means here we are doing x minus y. For y, we are calculating the 2's complement. Okay, Amma? What is y here? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay? So 2's complement means first we are calculating the 1's complement. That is, what is 1's complement? Changing 1 as 0 and 0 as 1. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. This is the 1's complement. Okay, Amma? Adding 1 to this. Adding 1 to this. That is 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the 2's complement of y. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So now add these two. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1 means 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. So 1 plus 1 again, 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is the sum is 1 and the carry is 1 here. Okay, ma? Again 1 plus 1, that is 0 and the carry is 1. 1 plus 1, the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Here finally we are getting the carry by adding. Okay? This is the final carry. Okay, ma? Neglect that carry. Here carry is occurred in 2's complement, then that will be neglected. Then what is the result? This is the final result. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is, this is equivalent to 17. Okay, ma? In 1's complement, what happened? If carry is occurred, then that will be added to the least significant bit. By using 2's complement, if carry is occurred, neglect that carry. Okay? That is only the difference here. Next, y minus x. Okay, ma? Y minus x. Y minus x means 67 minus 84. That is, a big number is subtracted from a small number. So what is the result? Positive or negative? Compulsory, the result is getting as negative number only. Okay, ma? So here, how the procedure will be means. Now we are doing y minus x. Okay. So y minus x means which is subtracted here? X is subtracted. So for x, we are calculating the 2's complement. Okay, ma? So directly we are taking y as it is. For x, we are calculating the 2's complement. Okay, ma? Then we are getting this is the 2's complement of x. Okay. Now add these two numbers. Add these two numbers. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, ma? Here no carry will be there. Okay. So, ఇక్కడ మనం సమ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏదైతే వాల్యూ వస్తుందో ఫర్ దట్ వాల్యూ అగైన్ వీఆర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ ద 2's complement. ఓకేనా? సో యాక్చువల్లీ big number, sorry, small number minus big number means negative result will be getting. So put a negative sign here and calculate the 2's complement of the addition result. So whenever we are taking the 2's complement of this, then we are getting minus 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. That is minus 17. Okay, ma? Minus 17. Are you understand? So in this way, we are getting the final result. Okay. So now, how to subtract by using 9's complement and 10's complement. Okay. By using 9's complement. Here we are taking the example as 72,005. 9's complement and 10's complement are used in which number system? Decimal number system. మన 9's complement 10's complement decimal number system ki use చేస్తామమ్మా. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏం తీసుకున్నాము అంటే 72,532 minus 3,250. So this is the subtraction. This subtraction is doing by using the nines complement. Okay ma, by using the nines complement. Here first take the first number, that is here what is subtracted, that 3,250 is subtracted. So for that number you calculate the nines complement. Okay ma, for that number you calculate the nines complement. So if you calculate the nines complement, this is the result. How to get this result? See here, 3,250. If you observe these two numbers, 72532. Totally how many digits are there? 72532. 5 digits are there. 3250. Only 4 digits are there. That's why here also we are putting 0 left side. So ఇప్పుడు 0 పెట్టినందువల్ల మనకి వాల్యూ ఏమన్నా మారుతుందా? మారదు. సో వాల్యూ చేంజ్ కాకుండా మనం ఏ మోడిఫికేషన్ అయినా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో 03250. Now you calculate the nines complement for this. How to calculate the nines complement? 5 digits are there. So here we are taking 5 nines. 5 nines. And from this, the 3,250 is subtracted, then you will be getting the nines complement. Okay ma, 9 minus 0, that is 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. What is the value? 96,749. Are you getting the same here? Okay. So in this way, we are calculating the nines complement of 3,250 and add these two numbers. Okay. 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay. One is the sum and one is the carry. Decimal, this will be. Decimal means, mathematics, that is related to decimal only. Okay, ma, normal addition. This is 2 plus 9, 11. So 1 is sum, 1 is carry. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 1 is the carry. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 9, 16. So 6. Here 1 is the carry. Okay, ma? Here 1 is the carry. This one will be added here. At the LSB, least significant bit దగ్గర యాడ్ చేస్తామమ్మా 1 ని. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? 1 plus 1 is 2, remaining as it is 8, 2, 6, 9, 6. So this is the given, this is the required result. Okay, 69,282. Okay amma, 69,282. Are you understand? If you observe this here, this 72,532 minus 3,250. In this problem, this is the biggest number. This is the small number. That is, you are subtracted a small number from a big number by using nines complement. ఓకే అమ్మా, ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మనం బిగ్ నెంబర్ లో నుంచి స్మాల్ నెంబర్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు, ఓకే, if any carry is occurred here, that carry is added to the LSB, least significant bit. Okay, then we are getting the final result. Next, the same will be taking, but a small number minus big number is considered here. Small number minus big number. The opposite to that. 3,250 minus 72,532. Which is subtracted here? 72,532 is subtracted. So we are calculating the nines complement for this 72,532. How to calculate the nines complement? 5 digits are there. That's why 5 nines will be taking. Are you remember why we are taking 5 nines here? 10 power n minus 1. 10 power n minus 1 means that is equal to 10 power 5 minus 1. 10 power 5 minus 1 means 10,000. So here 10,000 minus 1 amma. So we are getting 99. Sorry, 10 power 5 means 1 lakh. Okay. 10 power 5 means 1 lakh. 5 zeros minus 1. Okay, so that is 99,999. Easily we remember how many digits are there. That many number of nines will be taking. Okay, ma, 99999. From that 72,532 is subtracted. 532. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. Okay, 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, sorry, 9 minus 7, 2. 27,467. Okay, 27,467. In this way, you will be getting the nines complement here. Okay, Amma. Now adding these two numbers, 0 plus 7, 7. 5 plus 6, 11. So 1 is the sum and 1 is the carry. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 0 is sum, 1 is the carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. 30,717. Okay, Amma. So here we are taking small number minus big number. ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మనం బిగ్ నెంబర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం 2 times చేయాలమ్మా కాంప్లిమెంట్స్. ఓకేనా, రిమెంబర్ దట్. సో హియర్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఎడిషన్ చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ వచ్చింది కదా, దీనికి అగైన్ we are taking the nines complement, then only we are getting the final result. Why we are taking minus sign here? Small number minus big number. What is the result? Compulsory we are getting the negative value. Okay, that's why we are putting minus here and calculate the nines complement for this addition. Okay, so what is the nines complement for this? So take 9, 9, 9. Next, from this, subtract this value. 30,717. Okay, ma? So 9 minus 7 means that is 2. 9 minus 1, 8. Okay, 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. Okay, ma? So minus 69,282. Okay, are you getting the result here? In this way, we are calculating the subtraction result by using the nines complement method. Okay, Amma? Okay, Amma? So now, the next one is tens complement. By using tens complement, how to subtract? How to get the tens complement? First, we are calculating the nines complement. Then we are adding plus 1 to the nines complement. Then we are getting the tens complement. Okay, ma? So see the subtraction using tens complement. Okay, see here. Using tens complement, subtract 72,532 minus 3,250. Okay, ma? So here, big number minus small number. Okay, big number minus small number. The result is positive. Okay, so here, which is subtracted? 3250 is subtracted. So for this number, we are calculating the tens complement. Okay, ma. First, remember this. Here, 5 digits will be there. 72,532. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Here only 4 digits. 3,250 means compulsory you place 0 here. Okay, then only this becomes 5 digits. Remember this. Suppose me ikkada 0 add cheyakunda 9's complement calculate chesesi daniki 10's complement calculate chesesi will be getting the wrong result. Okay ma? So compulsory remember this. Ikkada 5 digits unnai. Subtrahand lo kuda manaki 5 digits undali. Suppose 5 digits lekapothe దీనికి left side 0 పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 0 పెట్టినంత మాత్రాన దీని వాల్యూ ఏమన్నా మారుతుందా? 3250 అన్న 3250 03250 అన్న 3250 కదా. So here we are putting 0 and for this you will be calculating the tens complement. How to calculate the tens complement? First calculate 9's complement and adding 1. Then this is the tens complement. Okay, now we add these two. 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 7 is 12. So 1 is carry 2. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9, 7 plus 9 16. Here if carry is occurred in tens complement then that will be neglected. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా మనం ఇక్కడ చూడండి -1000000 అంటే దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి అంటే మనం మైనస్ చేస్తున్నాము అంటే ఈ క్యారీని నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము అని. ఓకే అమ్మా, ఈ క్యారీని నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము అని. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫైనల్ రిజల్ట్? 69,282 ఈస్ ద ఫైనల్ రిజల్ట్. ఓకే, 9's కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో క్యారీ వస్తే యాడ్ చేస్తాము, 10's కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో క్యారీ వస్తే నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తాము. ఓకే, సో here big number minus small number. So here in the next one we are doing small number minus big number by using the tens complement. Okay ma, see here 3250 minus 72,532. Okay, 3250 minus 72,532. Here small number minus big number. So what is the result we are getting? What is the result? Negative result. Okay ma, negative result. So మనం దేన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము? 72,532 ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము కదమ్మా. సో కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం దేనికి టెన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? 72,532 కి టెన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, so further if you are calculating the tens complement then this is the tens complement. Okay ma, now here take this number 03250 and the tens complement of n. Okay, we are adding these two. Then 0 plus 8 8, 5 plus 6 11. 1 is sum and 1 is carry. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 1 is carry, 0 is sum. 1 plus 2 3. Okay amma, here no carry will be there. Here ఇక్కడ మనం ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ స్మాల్ నంబర్ మైనస్ బిగ్ నంబర్ చేసేటప్పుడు 2 times కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎడిషన్ చేయగా వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ కి అగైన్ we are calculating the tens complement. Here small number minus big number కాబట్టి we are putting negative sign. Okay, so for 30,718 again we are calculating the tens complement. Then we are getting minus 69,282. Okay, then we are getting this is the final result for this subtraction. Okay ma, are you understand about the complements? Here we are doing the subtraction by using 1's complement, 2's complement in binary numbers. Okay, next do the same, that is subtraction by using 9's complement and 10's complement for